Bataan. Bundok at palayan ng sakripisyo, dito lumaban ang bayan para sa kalayaan. Hindi lang ang armas ang sandata, puso, dangal at diwa ang gabay sa laban.
Bataan, mountains and fields of sacrifice. Here the nation fought for freedom's price. Not just weapons were wielded, hearts, honor and spirit guided the battlefield. Bawat araw sa Bataan, gutom at pagod ang kasama. Kaaway ay marami, ngunit kami di sumusuko sa laban na ito. Bawat bala at bomba, bawat sigaw at luha, kwento ng bayan, dugo't pawis ang sumasaklaw sa gulot tusa. Every day in Bataan, hunger and fatigue by our side. Enemies many yet we never hide. Every bullet, every bomb, every cry and tear, the nation's story is written in blood and sweat here. Tingin sa mga kasama mo kay tapang at determinasyon. Puso namin ay nag-aalab sa gitna ng tensyon. Bawat patak ng pawis at dugo, alaala ng sakripisyo. Sa Bataan, tapan ng Pilipino, hindi mapatayan kahit sino. Looking at comrades, faces full of courage, determination, our hearts burning bright amidst tension and devastation. Every drop of sweat and blood tells a tale of sacrifice. At Bataan, Filipino bravery is beyond pride.
Bataan, bundok at palayan, ang dugo at dangal, kasaysayan ng bayan, di mawawala. Bataan, alaala ng sakripisyo, bawat sigaw, bawat laban, buhay na alaala. Bataan, mountains and fields of blood and pride, the nation's history cannot hide. Bataan, memories of sacrifice, every shout, every fight, forever live.
Kami magkaisa, Pilipino at Amerikano sa Bataan, laban sa kaaway na tagumpay sa diwa at puso. Kaaway ay malakas, ngunit di nila alam ang puso ng bayan, ang pinakamalalakas na sandata sa digmaan. United we stand, Filipino and American hand in hand. At Bataan, fighting for freedom across the land. Enemy strong yet unaware, the nation's heart is the weapon rare. Bawat bundok, bawat ilog, alaala ng tapang mga sundalong lumaban. Kahit gutom at pagod ay hindi huminto sa bawat paluhang at putok. May kwento ng bayan sa Bataan, tapan ng Pilipino, hindi mapapatayan. Every mountain, every river tells a story of might. Soldiers fought on hunger and fatigue in sight. Every trap and every shot tells the nation's tale. At Bataan, Filipino courage will prevail. Nanay nagtatago sa ilalim ng bahay, batay nanginginig sa takot. Babae at matanda, nakikipaglaban sa gutom at pangamba. Ngunit sa bawat sigaw at palakpak ng sundalo, may pag-asa sa dulo, may apoy ng bayan na di mapapatay. Mothers hide beneath houses, children quake with fear. Women and elders struggle through hunger and tear. But in every shout, every soldier's clap, hope shines at the end, the nation's fire never naps.
Bataan, bundok at palayan, ang dugo at dangal, kasaysayan ng bayan, di mawawala. Bataan, alaala ng sakripisyo, bawat sigaw, bawat laban, buhay na alaala. Bataan, mountains and fields of blood and pride, the nation's history cannot hide. Bataan, memories of sacrifice, every shout, every fight, forever live.
Bataan, simbolo ng tapang at dangal, ang diwa ng Pilipino, hindi kailanman mamamatay. Bataan, symbol of courage and honor, the Filipino spirit will never perish.
Bataan,